Okay, factory update. Very big day today. We have been assembling the floor sections of the EcoPod, and we started this morning. It's about just before 3 o'clock now, so it's been about 8 hours in progress that we've been doing this. We started from that area over there, and we've been putting the floor sections in one by one all the way around. They're not completely secured yet, so I just have to watch my step a bit, but they're pretty well secured. And the floors are really solid. So this has actually worked quite well. This was our second or third trial. We had to do a lot of experimentation to get the right floor structure done, but I think we have a structure now that works really well, so we're pretty happy with. I think there's going to be one more iteration after this. We're just waiting for some materials to come in, some test materials. But I think we're probably going to be switching to those other materials, which are actually going to be made of balsa wood, which is a much more eco-friendly material. This is using a plastic core material, which is about 2 inches thick. So I think the balsa wood is a much better eco-friendly material, so we're going to switch to that. But it's a process of research and development and finding what works best and what gives the best characteristics and overall with all the factors taken into account. But I'm pretty happy with how this is right now. This is a pretty nice big area for the EcoPod. The roof will be, or the ceiling will be far above where I can stretch with my hand. It's going to be 2.7 would be the minimum height of the roof, of the ceiling and inside, and it may be even higher than that because depending on where you're standing, some areas have a larger ceiling, but this is pretty tall for a home. Usually you want to have at least 2.2 meters, and this is going to be quite a bit. It's going to be another half meter minimum more than that, so it's pretty good. Pretty happy with how these floors are going in. We have, I think, one more section to put in, and then we're going to start putting the top layer of fiberglass on to really solidify this, so it's going to be really rock solid. Then this process will be done, and then we're ready to put the roof section on. We still have to make the roof section. The roof, unfortunately, didn't work. We had made a roof section that was supposed to fit together, but unfortunately the mold was not made correctly, so it's basically doesn't work. So we're starting from scratch. We're going to have a new one made, and hopefully the next one will work. But that's the process of development. You're not always going to make things right the first time. There's a lot we have to learn, there's a lot we have to figure out, and you're not going to get it perfect the first time. So it's, people might look at not getting the results you want the first time as failure, but that's really feedback, because you'll never get something perfect the first time. You have to, like, it's kind of a test that the universe gives you. If you give up easily, then it's obviously something that you weren't meant to do, or that you weren't determined to do. Like, you have to really try hard and make an effort and earn your success, and that's what we're doing here with CPods. We're doing everything we need to do to make sure that we make the most amazing floating homes that the world has actually never even seen before. So we're very excited about it. But yeah, so that's a progress update for you today, and that's it.